Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to set different profile pictures on Facebook and Instagram in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the profile menu icon, then tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Then, scroll down and tap the See More in Account Center under the Account Center. Tap on the profiles to manage your link accounts. Select your profile by tapping on your name. Then, tap on Profile Picture Settings. Toggle off the Sync Profile Picture option. Then, tap Confirm to save the changes. Once you turn off syncing, you can set different profile pictures for Facebook and Instagram separately. Go to your Facebook and change your profile picture, and go to Instagram and choose a different profile picture. Now, the both platforms will have a unique profile pictures. And that's it. You know how to set up the different profile pictures on Facebook and Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.